What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you don't feel no pain, and if you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Make the doctor come to your home if you have the money. If you don't have the money, ask somebody to take you to the doctor. So that means we can know say you're all right and in good health. And as always, guys, when we say, me I beg you and ask you if you do wellness check on your family, friends, even your next door neighbor, also your enemy, check on them, because mental health is no joke. And guys, remember that our Jamaicans need our help. Christmas has come, and you don't know, they want a llama, yeah? AKA Christmas curry goat and good food. So, guys, remember, if you cannot donate any money, all I'm asking you to do, watch the ads. Watch all of the ads them. Make sure that YouTube able to pay me and the other YouTuber them will help out good. So that means we can use that money to help the Jamaican people, because me want to help at least 4 or 3 or 5 people to have a nice little Christmas. So guys, me ask you, watch the video. Just watch the video, watch the ads them, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. That's all me ask, because me not really like to beg money, because me not really want nobody come style me and call me a thief. But anyway, we gonna talk about that down in this here video, yeah. But my viewers and subscribers, I make a video the other day because, as you all see and realize, I really respect and like climber. Yeah, yeah, man. Me like the little youth. Me like how him do. Me like how him operate, and me want good for him, because a youth. And if you not take care of the youths them nowadays, it no make no sense. You have to try to elevate the youths. So when me look, I'm gonna say no climber. Me ask myself the question, because he's a different kind of thinker. So me ask myself the question, where is climber? When me look, me hear colors that say climber, Ghana and parent and grand people them. My viewers and subscribers, listen to what me I say now. Me said to myself, say, for 3 weeks, I'm in a scene post, no video. Me I said, that's strange. Then again, me sit down and me said to myself, say, in gone for 3 weeks, I help in family them. So me said to myself, say, so colors couldn't spare a couple days and go help him climb up in grandparents. So that means he can able to come back, come help him colors with where I do. That's how me thinking. So me think as that me would do. So me I say that me would do as a father then, or a adopted father, or a father. That me would do. It me put myself in a spot. Cause I would have go help climber and come back. So when me look, me not see climber. Now when me look now on YouTube, me see all heap of people start to ask, where is climber? So me said to myself, I same thing me ask. So me make a video outlining my views. Brother, everybody come out to eat off my head. How me a fight against colors. How me this and me that and all kind of something. Me hate colors. Me bad mind colors. Me who make all those videos about why TVJ nah put colors on the pedestal while TVG put Alicia Kim rather than put Color Smith, and me make them video there. Yeah, and me make them video there because me ask question. Me ask them put Alicia Kim relationship pan there, but why cannot you put colors pan there? Because colors are help people. And me make all those videos talking about Color Smith. So all of a sudden now, because me say, when me say, here we no come. How me this, me that, everything that's bad. However, when you go as far as when colors bring on climber pan him, you go as far as yeah, what am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do now? See if he run gone because see colors bring on climber there. Listen to me now, to all of you out there. Well, I said when me gone. Me not gone nowhere. Me have my business. Me have to cook turkeys for people. Me have to do catering. So the catering and the turkey done for now. Wednesday and Thursday, me gone again. So here I am, answering all of you know. We're out there talk. Listen me good. So, Climber is back with colors. And colors, big up yourself, you know. Go on the way I do you because me always, you know me stay colors. Me always glad and proud of what you are do. However, me always tell you say, if me see something, me go talk about it. Yeah, me always say that. Because if me see good, me go talk about it. And if me see bad, me going to talk about it too. Anyway, so let me ask you a question. You say, what me go do now that Climber is back with colors? By the way, have any of you see Climber upload any video on his channel yet? Me check and me not see none. Me still ask why. I can ask why. Nobody now go answer, but I still can ask why Climber no upload nothing on him channel. You know, and like a food basket, even though he might get pay from him father, and like a food basket that too. So may I ask a question? Anyway, left that alone. However, a lot of you out there, content creators, me soon make videos. Me soon make all kind of videos. But there is one video that really stand out. Hold on. Hold on a little bit before me say nothing about that. Dumb and Dumber. No, Dumb and Dumb-tress. Me soon can address you. Oh, no one know who named Dumb and Dumb-tress? Dumb is J Progress and Dumb-tress is J Progress brother Rumram, aka Brockback, Breadback, Mr. Damande. Me soon come to you now. Stand guard. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you listen to this gentleman. And when you don't listen to this gentleman, I want to know if you explain to me why would he say that? Why would he use the word? As a matter of fact, guess what? After him done talk, I'm going to help you know with what him said. Listen to what he said. Listen.
But hear me out. I heard Climber was on a live recently. I didn't see the comment that somebody wrote on that live. It was on slow-mo live. And his response to the whatever comment that person make everybody good. Every man is good. You know what? I don't know if the comment was asking him, somebody was asking him if him and colors is okay. But if that comment, because I didn't see the comment, somebody asked him if him and colors was okay, and he said, respond back as in saying, him and every man is good. You know what, man? That's not a good comment, because you just sending a message out there, say you and colors not doing good. You should not say that. You should just say, you know, me and my dad is good, or me and colors is good. But once you're gonna say, you know, me and every man is good, not saying the person ask if him and colors is good, because I wasn't watching the content. I was busy, and my wife was watching the content, and I just sit down beside her, and as soon as
I'm back. Hold on. Did you all hear what Jamaica NewFie have to say? Did you all hear what he have to say? And that is AKA hypocritical at the highest power. That is the hypocrite we all out there play. That is the dirtiness we all out there play. All out there play the same dirtiness. Every single one of you out there dirty. You are hypocrite. You are hypocrite. NewFie, Jamaica NewFie, you are hypocrite. And me see you, I talk about some of you pull up, car pull up on a foot, and you wet on yourself. That's all you believe in. Badness. Because you don't know what kind of badness you did in. But apparently you believe only you are the baddest man on earth. Nobody else bad. But that's all you do. Is a hypocrite. So the young man must not express how him feel. He must not express how him feel. And that's real. I'm glad that you see it and say something about it. I am very glad, because you is not an idiot. I go give that to you. You're not a fool. You understand. And you see that what Climber said, something is wrong. Something is wrong. But you is to say Climber shouldn't have do it that way. Climber should polish it off. Why would you want Climber to polish it off and make it look good? Are you feeling how Climber feel? You're not feeling how Climber feel, but you want Climber, or you would love if Climber polish it off, because then it would look good on Color side. Now, Color Smith, any which part there in the world, me not beat you down. Me would never beat you down. If you do something wrong, we go talk about it. But at the same time, let me tell you something. Many of you sheeps out there, Colors have some very good subscribers and some very good and loving and caring viewers, just like some of the subscribers them. But you see, some of you are some sheeps where there's nothing can be done wrong about Colors, and you close on eye. You close on eyes just because it's Colors. Yes, Colors is doing a lot of good project, a lot of good things out there. And I remember me tell her, I feel good for him. If you know say him do it. I feel very good if you know that him do it. But are you telling me that a young man isn't feeling good? A young man is having issues. A young man is something is wrong. And you're telling me that he should polish it off? Are you telling me that he should polish it off just because it's colors? He was a bad kid. Thank you very much, colors. You bring him into good. We don't know what happened. He know what happened. He hacked on what happened. Whosoever asked him that question, he never answered and said, him and color is not into anything. He said, no man. It is simple. When you use that word, you are no man, not in an argument. You are no man, not in an, you are every man good. It means that you are not good. That's what that means. And you not for you see it too. But you would rather for climber to polish it off and said, yeah, him and him father good. Are you feeling what that young man is feeling? I'm not feeling what he's feeling. I am hoping that he's not feeling any bad feeling. But anytime I talk, you are sit down and want to say, I am against colors. I am not against colors. I do not hate colors because guess what? Colors don't have nothing when me want. Nothing when me want. Colors don't have. Because me no want nobody money. Me no want nobody woman. Me no want nobody. Me no want me live or me live. So when uno out there talk about me bad mind colors and me jealous of colors and me a beat down colors and me a tear down colors, no. Wrong is wrong and right is right. I respect what colors I do and I respect climber. I respect the youths. And when me talk about the youths and how I deal with the youths them and how much pressure the youths them under, uno talk about me bad mind colors and me a fight them colors and me a call one of colors haters. Who is colors haters? Who know is colors haters? Because guess why uno are the colors haters? Uno won't tell him same wrong when him wrong. Uno won't tell him what wrong him a do. Uno won't tell him what bad him a do. And uno hate colors, not me. Not me. Uno more hate colors than me. I no have no hate for colors. Let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you this. Me have a virgin. And the virgin always tell me say, they have it up for colors. And you know, me tell the virgin say, no, say me not have nothing up for colors. Colors do something one day. Me will tell you what colors do. Me make a video saying that time the heat with Daddy Gaga gonna go on. And when me make the video, colors go up on him live. And him a big up Daddy Gaga. And him tell Daddy Gaga and say, Daddy Gaga if you watch them. That time I'm me and Daddy Gaga. You know? Daddy Gaga if you watch them because them a crab in a barrel. And him big up Daddy Gaga. The same man when he tell which part too much string tie up and when if you go do it. The same man. And when I sit down, I look on it and I say, boy, colors not easy to blood teeth. Imagine Daddy Gaga was so dangerous. That time me know say Daddy Gaga dangerous. You know? And I said, boy, colors not easy at all. Daddy Gaga not dangerous. He might tell Daddy Gaga how a crab in a barrel them. You know colors don't remember that. But I saw me stay. Remember everything. Everything remember. And when me said to the man, me not have nothing against colors. Colors are making video, colors are doing thing. But here you no come. All of you no come out. Rodney against colors. Rodney this, Rodney that, Rodney this, Rodney that. Let me tell you something. Think before you talk. Because remember me tell you. When me see something, me going to talk about it. Me nah go hide it. Me nah go hide it. No, me nah go hide it. Me go talk about it. Once me see it, I'm going to talk about it. Now, me done with that. Done with NewFie. Now talk nothing more about NewFie. Jamaican NewFie. I mean, I'm not going to say no, brother. Me just tell you my mind. Yeah, man, he's a hypocrite. Yeah, he's a hypocrite. Big, big one too. Yeah, man. And you're a big man and you understand life. And you know wrong from right, because if you never know wrong from right, you would not say Climber never did to do that. You see you? You see you and a lot of uno a hypocrite. Uno a hypocrite. Anyway, let me talk to dumb and dumbtress. First, me go talk to dumbtress. Dumbtress, you anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you know who named Dumbtress? Dumbtress is Ram Brockback, aka Brockback. You say, oh, when me there. You are ask the people them when me there. No ask for me there. Make me ask you where boo your girl there. By the way, not boo. One lady said me not to call him boo no more because boo is when you're in love with a man and you call him your boo. So him and a boo, Nif must call him name Maki. Maki Lucius. Maki. Yeah, Maki. You, me need to ask you where Maki there. Yeah, you Mr. Romer. Where is Maki? You worry about where me there? Worry about where your man there. Yes, worry about him. Don't worry about me because you are cuss a woman for your man. I must your man. Yeah, I must your man. Allegedly are your boyfriend. Yeah, allegedly are your boyfriend because if you get up and I cuss off a woman for your man, that say a lot about your like a broke back self. Me see you post a picture the other day with one lady and I sing Akan song about long time you know see her face and all them kind of things. But me tell you something. Our RuPaul walking. My viewers and subscribers, me not be rude. Me go left that alone. But let me tell you something, Ram. You say we are three blind mice. But me go tell you something. Me rather be one of the blind mice than be a man where I watch woman crutches. Me rather be one of the blind mice where rather than watching a woman crutches and want to know how much time the woman have sex or when the woman have sex and breed. Me rather do that. Me rather be a blind mice than watch a woman front. Me rather to be a blind mice than watch a woman front because the woman never contact me back in a DM after me try to look her. So you know if you come talk to me, and as a matter of fact, let me say this to you. You say me a thief. And you say how me a build up place for me mother house and one heap or something. Let me tell you something. Before you tell the people them lie, you see, fix up yourself because guess what happened? You see, you and your brother, remember this, and you say, oh, your father was up and down over the United States, Canada, and all over the world, a breed woman. You don't know how much of your sister and brother you have intercourse with, as a matter of fact, more your brother them. Yeah, you don't know how much of them you are by. Hey, let me tell you something. He's like a buy. You see him ram. You see that you love Come and say boom bye bye in a boy not promote now. Go ahead, boy. You don't know nothing. You's a little boom bye bye. And you call me thief. You say the people enough to give me no money cause me a thief. What a coincidence that your brother, who you tell the people and say they must go give them money to. What a coincidence, all these years, him never have a John. But all of a sudden, right in the midst of him collect over £11,000, all of a sudden, what's the difference? All of a sudden, him buy John. All of a sudden, he start to do video in a car. Hold on. All of a sudden, he start to buy all kind of gadgets, all kind of sitting for hang, phone and for hang, all kind of sitting in a car. You know, see, there's something wrong with that. All me get is $510. $510, $319 and GoFundMe. And the rest of it comes, $10 comes in Cash App, $37 comes in, what you call that thing? PayPal, and the rest of it, $50, $47, $20, and $25, and a $5 comes in, what you call that thing? Super Chat. All of a sudden, your brother have all kind of gadgets. Then your brother, somebody asks your brother about where is the money. Instead of your brother answer them, your brother start to talk about who a thief. He no call no name. I throw shades, but J Progress, me not throw shade. Me not throw shade, J Progress. And let me tell you something, J Progress. My plan and seminar go good on in your personal life no more. And tell you the truth, me really don't want good on in your personal life because you and your brother are the same kind of person. You and your brother are the same kind of person. Remember, say a farm work, you lick a rum come at you and see a panina. And you run off. You run off and married to. Who you married to? Who did you marry to? Who did you marry to? Did you marry to the lady where you show? As a matter of fact, the person where you show or who you married to. Listen me good. I said I do not want to disrespect any woman on my show, on my channel. But listen to me good. Listen to me good. And you say, your personal life, you J Progress, I tell you, I don't want good on in it, you know, because you know why me don't want good on in it? It have a lot to do with your kid. And to be honest with you, I'm going to leave that out. But hear me, I said, J Progress. Make your video them. Go steal the people them content and turn it around and twist it like what you are do. Because most of the content them what you are making and mix up bass content and so flow content. Remember that most of the content them what you are make are take your tech content and twist it, you know. And me go be honest with you. Me don't give you a little prop for that. Because you take it and twist it and turn it and I'm going like you're a big content creator. You is no content creator. You're no content creator, you. Take people things and twist it and turn it. So J Progress, when you see me, and you see me I make video. Because you see you talk about colors there. And that style you are beat colors